Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled egg patties. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients and tools, including 2 to 3 large eggs, a small bowl, and a non-stick pan. Next, crack your eggs into the bowl and whisk them thoroughly with a fork until they are well combined and slightly frothy. Finally, add a pinch of salt and pepper to the mixture for enhanced flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 1 teaspoon of butter or your preferred oil in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once the pan is warm, pour approximately 1/4 cup of the egg mixture for each patty you want to make. Allow the patties to cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center appears mostly firm. It's time to flip. Carefully slide a thin spatula under each egg patty and gently flip it over. Continue to cook the patties for an additional 1 to 2 minutes on the second side, or until they are lightly golden brown and cooked through to your liking. Once finished, remove the perfectly cooked patties from the pan and serve them immediately while they are warm. These versatile egg patties are fantastic on a breakfast sandwich with cheese and bacon, or simply served alongside some crispy toast. If you have any leftovers, they can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making them perfect for meal prep. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.